Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to clear your SQL log file. When using the SQL Server database, it keeps a transactional log, and after time this can build up and actually cause a bit of latency to the software. We usually recommend clearing it at least once a month or maybe once every month and a half or so. It's totally up to you. The way we need to clear this log is through the SQL Management Studio. So you need to go to your main server computer and make sure Kennel Connection is closed on all other machines. We're going to go to the Start menu and go into the Server Management Studio. We're going to go ahead and log in. And once logged into the SQL Management Studio, over to the left you want to click on the plus sign next to Databases to expand it. You'll see the WKennel database. I want you to right mouse click on it. And we're going to choose Properties. In the properties of WKennel, we're going to click on Options. And we're going to set the recovery model to simple for the time being. Click OK at the bottom. And now go ahead and right click on WKennel again. Choose Tasks. And before we shrink it, we're going to do a quick backup, so click on Backup. And down at the bottom here, where it says Destination Backup To, we want to set it as Disk. And if there's a file already here, go ahead and click Remove. Click Add. And you'll notice here it's putting it into the SQL Server folder, into the backup folder. So all you have to do is name this file. So click at the very end and make sure your cursor is after the backslash and type in a name. I'm going to use today's date. And at the end of your name you want to put .bak. And click OK. So now you can see here, if I scroll over, 1124.2013.bak will be the name of our backup. Go ahead and click OK. And you can see it backed up. This went pretty quickly. You might have to be patient with it if you have a large database. So we'll click OK. Now we're going to go ahead and right mouse click on WKennel again. Choose Tasks, Shrink, and choose Files. In the Shrink File screen, locate File Type, and we're going to change it from Data to Log. And you'll notice mine is only at 19, almost 20 megabytes. Most of the time, when it's time to shrink the log file, it'll be a few hundred or even in the thousands. So the only thing we change on this screen is we change the file type to log. Go ahead and click OK. And again, since this was pretty small to start with, it went fairly quickly. And that's it. It just shrank the log file down. So we're going to go ahead and right click on WKennel again. Choose Properties, Options, and we're going to set the recovery model back to full. Click OK. And go ahead and close out of SQL Management Studio. You can now go ahead and restart Kennel Connection on all your machines, and you should notice a performance increase, especially if your log file was a few thousand megabytes. And as always, if you have any questions, give us a call. Thanks.